Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set up price alerts on Skyscanner. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To set up price alerts on Skyscanner, first what you need to do is head over and open up your Skyscanner app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is search for flights. Simply enter your travel details like departure and destination cities, dates and etc. Then simply tap on search. Now once you are there, what you need to do is browse through the available flights and select the one you are interested in. Then once you are inside there, what you need to do is click on the flight to view more details and compare options. And after selecting a flight, if you are viewing a list of options, you'll see an option that says set price alert. Simply tap on that and you'll be able to customize the alert by setting the route and specifying the dates or leave them flexible. And then once you do that, you'll start receiving email notifications whenever prices for your selected flight route goes up or down. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.